Good evening, everybody. I'm glad you decided to join us in our session for the Health and Human Services Division at Gaston College. I wanted to start out by thanking you for taking your time to join us tonight for this virtual open house. So our division is the Health and Human Services Division. We do service Gaston and Lincoln County. We're super excited about what we do, and we hope that you learn a lot just from this session. So I'm Allison Abernathy. I'm the dean. I get the privilege of working here every day, and the platform that we're using tonight, the software is Hopin. So I just wanted to say thanks for hopping by and checking out our session and seeing what we have to offer. So who are we? We are a division that promotes health, wellness, and human services program to provide quality instruction and produce graduates that can perform professionally for our community. Some of our community partners are listed below: Caronmont Regional Medical Center, Atrium Healthcare, Novant, Catawba Valley, and Fry Regional. Those are just a few. We have a lot more that we work with each and every day with our students. And this is our website that you can go to find out a little bit more information about our division. So how are we broken up? We have three main departments. We have the Allied Health Department, which includes Certified Dietary Manager, Health and Fitness Science, Health and Wellness Coach, Human Services, which is also counseling, medical assisting, phlebotomy, veterinary medical technology. And you can see out to the side of each one, you can see where it's at, which campus. We do have three campuses here at Gaston College. We have Dallas, Belmont, and Lincolnton. Our next biggest department is the nursing department, and we have nurse aide, practical nursing, LPN to RN, and registered nursing. Also, our associate degree nursing program is known as the registered nursing program. Our last department is the wellness department, and that includes cosmetology, aesthetics, and therapeutic massage. We do have future programs in the works. We've applied for these programs with the North Carolina Community College system, and those include surgical tech, health information technology, pharmacy tech, and nail tech. We are also the only community college in the state that has healthcare apprenticeship pathways. We do offer other apprenticeships, but I wanted to talk to you briefly about our nurse aid apprenticeship that we have. We have CNA 1 and CNA 2, and the picture that you see there is with our CNA 2 apprenticeship group that graduated, and this is Chris Peak. Here on the right, he's the CEO of Caronmont Regional Medical Center. We have partnered with them to train their CNA 1s to become CNA 2s through our certificate pathway. We do have some other potential pathways we're working on, but we are partnered with Caronmont Health, Stress Free Home Care, and Bayada Home Health Care. Accreditation is very important to Gaston College. Gaston College is SAC COC accredited, and our programs within our division are also accredited at the national level, and those are voluntary accreditations. Those are not something that are required by Gaston College, but those are things that we feel like are important for the rigor of our program and produce graduates that can work successfully in the career. So these are just some of the ones that are listed that are accredited within our division. We do have a lot of awards and recognitions that we've received recently. The associate degree program was just named top 5 in the Community College of Nursing for North Carolina. We also have 2 nursing faculty members that have what's considered a DNP, or a Doctorate of Nursing Practice. Another is in the process of earning her DNP degree, and all of our full-time nursing faculty have master's degrees in nursing. Our medical assisting program was just ranked 3rd out of 20 best programs in North Carolina. And recently, we've had 2 years in a row of 2 separate graduates to complete a perfect score on their certification exam. The practical nursing program is ranked 9th in the state of North Carolina, and the vet tech program was recently ranked 14th out of 50 across the nation for the best vet tech programs. Cosmetology program has ranked 24th of the top 50 beauty schools in the United States. What makes us GC proud are our faculty and staff that are alumni here. We have a total of 20 in our division, and you can see which program they work in. And what makes us so happy to be here is that we love our students, and a lot of our faculty and staff, being alumni, can bring that same energy to each profession that we're training. These are our licensure pass rates, which are excellent, and our job placement rates. We don't drop usually below 90%, between 90 and 100%. We're going to ensure students get a job. Most of the employers reach out to us asking for our graduates so they can come and speak to them to get them hired at their company. Our nursing program has outstanding outcomes as well. You can see their licensure pass rates for what's considered NCLEX. So for the ADN program and the PN program, the state average is 79%, and we're well above that. ADN, it's been anywhere from 93% to 98%, and the PN program has ranged 100% for the past 6 years, and we hope to continue that for many years to come. So students applying to medical and health programs, they have to apply to the college and do the residency determination. They also have to apply through us in our programs. We have limited seats in each of our programs. Our accrediting agencies and state boards only allow so many students per program. So with that, we have to be selective in the students that we choose, and it's very competitive. So these are some of the points that we use for each of our programs. Students have to complete the application and submit evidence of this, and then the students are ranked, and we take the top 30, 40, 50, however many seats that we have. That's the way to keep it fair. In addition to the selective admission criteria, we also have clinical agency compliance requirements. This is not something that Gaston College requires. This is something that each clinical agency requires. Those consist of a criminal background check, a urine drug screen, a health physical from a healthcare provider, and proof of immunizations. So all of our faculty that go to a clinical setting, in addition to our students, are required to complete this step in order to achieve access to that facility to take care of their patients. Our wellness programs, this is just a snapshot of what those look like. The lady here on the left, that's Brian Walker. She's the chair of our program for wellness. We offer student clinic services for cosmetology, aesthetics, and therapeutic massage. We have students that come in, we have the community that comes in, and we have a small fee that we charge for that, but that allows our students to get the required training hours that they need by the state board. In 2018, we were excited to start a groundbreaking on our new Vet Tech building, and it's hard to believe it's been 2 years later, and we are in a 16,000 square foot building now, which looks like this. If you hop over in the booth for veterinary medical technology, you'll be able to see a video of them working with the animals in that new setting. It's a beautiful facility. We're very proud of that. This is also another snapshot of some of our areas for learning for our students. You can see our gym, our aesthetics facility, our cosmetology and massage facilities. You can see our medical assisting and nursing students working in the clinics and the labs, and then our nutrition students are in the middle as well. These are some of our skills lab and simulation areas. We have state-of-the-art facilities for our students to learn in and for our faculty to teach in. So we're excited and proud about that here at Gaston College. We have a recent partnership with Gaston County Schools and Caramont Regional Medical Center, in that we have a Health Sciences Academy at East Gaston High School. So fall of 2021, we will be teaching the juniors and seniors on site there for 4 pathways that will lead to either an associate degree or a diploma here at Gaston College. So that's a new endeavor that we're very proud of. So I wanted to share 3 stories of graduates and what's making them GC proud. This is Kelly Harris. Kelly was a 1998 graduate of the medical assisting program, and then she went on to complete her nursing degree after starting here. She gained confidence in her career and felt like she could achieve a little bit more. So now she's an acute care nurse practitioner at Caramont Heart and Vascular. She says, the skills and support that I received while attending Gaston College are invaluable. Gaston College definitely prepared me to pursue my bachelor's and master's degrees in nursing. This particular student is a 2016 graduate of the Gaston College Aesthetics program. Same story. She came through here, got confidence, and then she created her own skincare line for consumers to purchase. So she's a huge success story, and she's GC proud, and she makes us proud being one of our graduates. This fella is Ryan Rodems, and Ryan is a 2013 graduate of our Health and Fitness Science program. He went on to achieve his master's degree from UNCC, and he is now the assistant athletic trainer for the football team at Texas Christian University. He says, I personally believe the knowledge and professionalism gained from Gaston College set the foundation for me to build an exciting career in the world of athletic training. This is why I am Gaston College proud, and we are proud of Ryan as well. The last student success story is Samantha Evans. Samantha is a 2009 graduate of the Associate Degree Nursing Program, or RN program. You may have heard it referenced that way. I had Samantha when I was a part-time faculty member here. She was in my clinical group for an obstetrics rotation. She was an excellent student. She went on to UNCC and then completed a nurse anesthetist training program, and she is now in the OR working as a CRNA, or a nurse anesthetist. She goes on to say, Gaston College was the stepping stone of preparation for my future endeavors. I'm forever thankful for their nursing program. The helping hands at Gaston College are in abundance. Again, this is our website. We encourage you to go there and check us out on the website to see what all we have to offer. You can also go into our booth and check out some of the programs that I mentioned to you tonight. But we're so glad that you chose to be with us tonight at Gaston College and learn a little bit more about us.